Hi all my wonderful women out there. This is Hema from Shivani Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani Boutique is this beautiful salwar which I am wearing. It's a pure Munga Tezza silk salwar, and the second concept is going to be pure Munga Tezza by saris. So let's start this video. The first one, this is my dress. This comes with a different color combination. Alright, you can find minute hand embroideries here and there. It's just a hand work. In this it is not there, but in mine it is there. Alright, so let me check anyways. Yes, it is here. It is only the front portion. So see this, you can find minute works here and there. It's a self-checked fabric, and this is the pant for this, and this is the dupatta for this. Alright, it's a soft Munga Tezza sari where it's very comfortable to wear and slim fit as well. And the third color is this and this. Alright, see, this is the dupatta for this. If you need any assistance, 9585501762 is our WhatsApp number. We are at your service. And then the second concept is this. See, a little bigger floral concept. These are all like soft ones. So see this. So this is the top for this. This is the top version for this. You can find kata work, running kata work on the top, and this is the pant, and this is a soft Munga dupatta. So these are all on the exclusive range because of the pureness of the fabric. The product is pure one, it's not a mixed one. And then this is also a soft Munga Tezza fabric, all over embroideries. See this, nice ones, these are all. So all over embroideries on the top, and this is the pant for this. And once again, it's a floral dupatta. Dupattas are pretty great in these. Just like that, you can flaunt the dupatta. So dupatta plays an important role in this. Alright, and then once again, see, this is a very different one. The embroideries are really different. All comes with an embroideries. So nice and beautiful ones, these are all. This is how the embroideries are. And this is the pant portion for this. And once again, it's a embroidered Getty Jerry border dupatta. So see this, lovely. It is dupattas, and length and breadth will be sufficient for double XL client as well. 50 meters. And then see this. So once again, it's all over embroidered, and this is the pant. It's a deep indigo blue color, and once again, it's a printed soft Munga dupatta it is. Alright, and then comes, see this. Pure lovers can definitely go for this because the fabric is really soft and very comfortable to wear as well. And this is the pant for this. You can find embroideries in the daman portion, and then this is the floral and printed Munga dupatta for this. All are pretty great looking fabrics. And then comes this. See, the print is so amazing, and the color combination is really great. This is the top for this, and this is the pant. I will open the dupatta because dupatta is very special. It's an embroidery Munga, soft Munga dupatta. Dupatta, if you ask me whether it's light or heavy, no, it is absolutely light. And just spin it over here and then just leave it. So it is that much comfortable. And I've got one more nice color as this. See, the color combination is amazing. And then next concept is this, embroideries. See, this is the top embroidery, and this is the pant for this. And I'll definitely want to open the dupatta and show you guys. See, this is the dupatta. Lovely peacock bluish green color. It's so beautiful. And then this comes with a plain Munga top material. See this. Munga top material, and this is the pant material, and then this is the dupatta for this lovely, beautiful printed soft Munga dupatta. And then these two are two different colors with same concept, zigzag ones. See, this is how it is. And then this is the pant for this contrast matching, and this is the khata work dupatta for this. Lovely, amazing color, isn't it? And then the second color is a vibrant pink with indigo blue matching. So this is how it looks. Alright, part 1 is completed. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, you can straight away WhatsApp as 9585501762, or else you can directly place orders in our website www.shivaniboutique.com. Thank you so much. We'll be back in part 2. Bye.